Hey there, folks! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Agent Edge Marketing, where I bring you the latest and greatest AI technology for real estate agents. Today we're diving into the world of AI agents and how they can revolutionize your online presence. Imagine this: you're a real estate agent, and you've just launched your brand new website. But wait, there's more. You've also got an AI agent, ready to interact with your visitors and answer their questions. Now, when a potential client visits your site, your AI agent will be there to greet them, provide valuable information, and even collect their contact details. But here's the best part. All that valuable information will be delivered straight to your email as a new lead. That's right, your AI agent is working hard to generate leads for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So, what are the financial benefits of having an AI agent on your website? Well, for starters, you'll save time and effort by not having to manually answer every inquiry. And let's not forget the potential for increased revenue, as your AI agent helps you close more deals and generate more income. What is one more closed transaction worth to you? AI will not replace you, but your competition who is using AI will. Want to test drive one of these AI agents for yourself for free? Go to www.agentagemarketing.net/AI-testing-page or click the link in the description below this video. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Agent Edge Marketing. If you find this information helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, keep harnessing the power of AI to take your real estate business to the next level.